No later.
All my body does shine is like.
No, it's fine. No go. Guys, I'm with you. I'm so busy, I'm so sorry.
Stand by for 10. We love everybody. Stand by for 10. Happy Thursday, everybody. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, suppose.
Producer and DJ joining us via our video is Mekwana Atimose. Mekwana completes her professional
amabhuli. And Naledi, sesiletha ngapha bo just a quick one ngesizwe ukuthi ufundeni kwinkulumo zanamhlanje ohlelweni.
I would say that I learned a lot, in terms of, having HR and someone who is in the labor law. And one more thing that I would like to add is that in terms of like contracts, we've got things like ChatGPT, like AI, that if you don't have access to probably like a law practitioner, you could, put it in there so that it could be easier for you to understand your contract, what it entails, and all of that. Yeah.
Hi guys, welcome back to yet another video. I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing of my brand new iPhone 13 and my magic mouse. Nothing much went into it, but just an unboxing. The previous clips that I just played of my interview or invite at Daily Teta, which is a talk show, live talk show that happens on SABC 1 every single day. I forgot what time it plays. I was invited to just share my story. The one that I once shared on the platform of my first employer and what went down. So the topic was about the exploitation of young people in South Africa and all of that. So I just had to add my 2 cents. Okay, so I'm just gonna have a chit chat. While doing the chit chat, I'm also, taking you through some of the stuff that I do get up to on my spare time. Not spare time, but yeah, I run a mini jewelry business. I wouldn't even say I run, I just make jewelry. I've recently started with, a bit of branding. It's very exciting, I'm not gonna lie. But currently in Gikatele, I am exhausted. I've not been doing any of this, which is very bad for a business. A friend of mine, we were talking about DJ Zintle's work ethic. It is out of this world. It's beyond and above. And you know what? It's something that I would like to adopt, yeah, basically. But anyway, what is this chit chat about? Yo, it's the time of the year. I don't think last year I recorded a video like this. The last time I recorded such a video was probably in 2022. Nan goisha, but yeah, anyway. And goishi ngoku per se, but yeah. I think I am back to, looking at my life, thinking about my life, thinking about things that I would like to do. I guess it's probably one of those things that happen to a lot of people when it comes to the end of the year, beginning of a new year, having, those serious and those, frank convos with yourself to say, okay, Naledi, what do we want? What are we getting up to? And okay. So that's where I'm at. So I've been thinking a lot about the near future being 2025. In 2025, I honestly don't know what it is that I should be doing. I don't even know what it is that I want to do, but I have a bit of an idea that I might share at some point. But for now, I would like to not say anything about it. But more than anything else, I want to travel a lot in 2025. I want to, just live my best life. And I almost said make bad decisions, but hey, no, not do that, but just work on my credit score. I would like to buy a house, and I would like to buy a new car as well. But before I do all of those things, I would like to travel, not full time, but like you get the gist of the things and get to have fun and explore so that when I'm at 35, when I'm 40, I will not, regret not having done the things that I've always wanted to do. And I think the one thing that I appreciate about life and myself is that I'm very much open to anything and everything. My lease is ending end of Jan, and I don't want to renew it, mainly because I don't know where to, like, what if I relocate? Like, what if I go to a new country? So those are the, like, main reasons as to why I do not want to renew my lease, because now if it happens that I have to, like, relocate, then what am I going to do with the lease? Now I need to pay for rent, and I don't want those things. On the downside of it as well is that if I don't renew my lease and I don't find a place to stay, then what's going to happen? But anyway, I well, that's not even a factor, because I think the one thing that I know about me is that I'm fearless and things always work out. If they don't work out, then they don't exist. And this is just me. It's the delusional me talking. But anyway, that's besides the point. So yeah, next year, that's what I would like to do. And also school. Oh, guys. Yeah, I feel like I've got so many things that I have to get ready for next year. I don't know how I'm gonna juggle everything all at once, but I will be able to juggle everything. Well, I don't have much of a choice. I have to, like, do the things that I gotta do, and yeah, and just be fearless and whatnot. But anyway, since it's the end of the year and some people are graduating, some people are starting their jobs. How are you guys doing? How are you guys feeling? Are you feeling? I wouldn't necessarily say that I feel anxious. I don't feel like as anxious as I normally would feel. More than anything, I'm just excited. Obviously, guys, with every, like, new thing that you do, you will get anxious, because the fear, not even the fear, but the anxiety of the unknown, that is always, like, not a good feeling, but it is what it is. Yeah, so I'll keep you guys updated. I'll keep you on the loop. I'll probably do a life update, sit down video for you guys, just to, like, fill you guys in, and let you guys know what's been going through my head, and things that I would like to see happen in 2025. So yeah, please be on the lookout for that. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this chit chat and the unboxings and everything. I know it wasn't much, but I just thought I should just, add in my, 2 cents of happiness in you guys' lives. Well, if this does make you happy, but anyway, thank you guys for watching the video, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye.
Waking up to sunlight streaming through the blinds, a new day is dawning, leaving worries behind. The coffee's brewing, the air is fresh and clear. Life is full of promise, nothing to fear. Life is good, we're living in the moment. Every breath a gift, every heartbeat golden. With love all around and dreams that we pursue. Life is good and every day feels